The evolution of the Paramount Pictures logo. The Paramount Pictures logo, featuring a majestic mountain encircled by stars, is one of Hollywood's most enduring symbols. Since its debut in 1914, the logo has undergone several transformations, each reflecting the studio's growth and the advancements in film technology. Origins, 1914. The original logo was designed by William Hodkinson in 1914. It depicted a charcoal-rendered mountain surrounded by 24 stars, representing the number of actors under contract with the studio at that time. The mountain is believed to be inspired by Ben Lomond Mountain in Utah, reflecting Hodkinson's childhood memories. Mid-20th century updates, 1951 to 1968. In 1951, the logo was redesigned as a matte painting by John DeMella, introducing a more detailed and elongated mountain. By 1968, the number of stars was reduced to 22, and the word Pictures was dropped from the logo, simplifying its appearance. Modernization and CGI era, 1987 to present. For Paramount's 75th anniversary in 1987, artist Dario Campanile was commissioned to create a new painting of the mountain, which became the basis for a CGI version of the logo. This iteration featured animated stars flying into position around the peak. In 2002, the logo was updated again, showcasing a more realistic mountain and dynamic star animation. The most recent update in 2011 introduced a surrounding mountain range and a shining sun in the background, enhancing its visual appeal. Symbolism. The mountain symbolizes strength, permanence, and grandeur, aligning with Paramount's status in the film industry. The encircling stars, though their number has varied, continue to represent the studio's celebrated talent and its commitment to excellence in cinema. Throughout its history, the Paramount logo has maintained its core elements while evolving to reflect contemporary aesthetics and technological advancements, solidifying its place as an iconic emblem in the world of entertainment.